If you're running into an itch.io error during installation, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. A lot of the time, this issue has nothing to do with the game itself, and everything to do with how the file was downloaded, extracted, or stored on your computer. So before you keep clicking around and getting frustrated, follow these simple fixes in order. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, the most important step is to re-download the game file. Sometimes the original download gets interrupted, corrupted, or only partially saved, and that can cause installation errors right away. Go back to the itch.io page and download the file again from scratch. If possible, delete the broken version first, so you do not accidentally use the damaged file. A fresh download often fixes the issue immediately. Next, make sure the file is fully downloaded before you try to install or open it. If your browser or download manager has not finished the process completely, the archive may look ready but still be missing important data. Check the download bar, file size, or completion status to confirm it is 100% done. If the file still looks incomplete, wait until the download fully finishes before doing anything else. After that, you need to extract or unzip the file properly. A lot of itch.io games come in compressed folders, and if you try to run them without extracting them first, you may get an installation or launch error. Right-click the downloaded file and choose the option to extract it, or use your preferred Unzip tool. Make sure the contents are unpacked into a normal folder before opening the game files. If the extraction process fails, that usually means the archive is damaged and you should download it again. Another common reason for installation errors is low disk space. If your drive is nearly full, the installer may not have enough room to unpack files or complete setup. Free up some storage space by deleting unused files, emptying the recycle bin, or moving larger items to another drive. Even a little extra space can make a big difference when installing games from itch.io. Once you've done these steps, try the installation again. In most cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the problem: re-downloading the game file, confirming the download is complete, extracting it correctly, or clearing storage space if needed. If the game still doesn't install, check whether your antivirus or system permissions are blocking the file, because that can sometimes interfere too. So to recap, if you're getting an itch.io error during installation, start by re-downloading the game file, make sure the download finishes completely, extract the archive the right way, and free up storage space if needed. These quick checks solve a lot of common installation problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy fixes, and comment below if you want help with the next issue you're facing.